Hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is Geraldine.
Geraldine. Oh, it's a nice name. And what is your nickname? Do you have any nickname?
No, I don't have nickname.
Okay, and where are you from?
I'm from Philippines.
Okay, nice. And my name is Sushantupol, and I'm from Bangladesh. So it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, so what do you do? Do you study or work?
I'm studying
And which grade do you study?
what?
I mean, which grade? Which class do you study?
My run.
Yeah.
Um, I
Like,
don't
are you a university student or college student?
varsity student.
Okay,
My God.
that's cool. Okay,
Hi, Ate Chin.
okay, you just set your camera like me. Okay, like me.
Sure.
So,
Mm.
our next question is
Hi, Beatrice. Thank you po sa beans. Thank you.
so. Are you ready?
What?
So, how old are you?
I'm 18 years old.
Okay. And are you foodie?
What?
Are you foodie? Like,
Yes.
yes. Then what is your
Sometimes.
okay? Then what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is ice cream.
Oh, okay. It's kind of fast food, right? Fast food.
Yes.
It's harmful for our health. It's not good, right?
But it's so yummy.
Yeah, it's so yummy, delicious. Yeah, right. So, do you cook sometimes?
Yes, I cook. Sometimes I'm cooking egg and canton.
You can cook everything, like uh,
No, I can cook everything.
so who is the best cook in your family? Is it you or is it your mom?
My father.
Father?
My father.
Oh my gosh.
Because my father is cook everything that I want.
Oh, okay. So you can learn from your father.
Yes.
Okay. So, can you sing?
What?
Can you sing?
No, I don't want. I didn't know how to sing. My voice is not. Oh my god.
So
You
do
know
you have
what?
any?
I'm so shy and my voice is not
Okay, it's okay.
okay for singing.
Do you have any special talent, like you can sing or you can dance or you can draw? What is your special talent?
I can dance. My special talent is dancing.
Oh, that's cool. So you are a dancer, right?
Yes, of course.
Okay. So yeah, you can ask me anything. You can ask me some question.
Do you have a family or girlfriends like that?
No, I'm still single, and I live with my family.
Oh, okay. Okay. You're studying or working?
Yeah, I'm a student. I'm still student. I'm studying third year, and we have fourth year course. So I'm studying third year, and I'm studying my major English literature.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah. So do you live with your family or
I'm live with my family.
okay, and do you have siblings? Like, do you have brothers
Of
and sisters?
course. Yes,
Okay,
I
how many?
have. Um, three. Two girls and me. One. One boy.
You mean you have two sisters? You have two
Yes, I
sisters?
have two sisters. Of course.
Okay. Are you taking picture?
Of course, because I will send it to my friends that proof that I will joining in Bigo.
Oh, okay. That's fine. So you can smile, then I will take a screenshot. That will be my
Sure.
YouTube channel thumbnail.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Thank you for
for
your
your
valuable
time.
time. You will find this video on my YouTube channel after 2 or 3 days later.
Yes, yes, yes.
And
Yes.
thank you
Thank
for your
you. Bye. See you next time.